Did you know that the phrase puppy love has a scientific basis? That's right, it's not just a catchy phrase we use to describe youthful first crushes. You see, when your adorable canine companion locks eyes with you, something quite remarkable happens. Inside their brain, oxytocin, the very same hormone that fosters deep bonds between human mothers and their babies, is released. In essence, this hormone acts as a sort of love potion, strengthening the bond between you and your pet. This oxytocin release isn't just a one-way street, though. It's reciprocal. Your dog gazes at you, their brain releases oxytocin, and in turn, your brain responds in kind. It's a beautiful mutual exchange of affection. So, the next time your furry friend gives you those puppy dog eyes, remember there's a lot going on beneath the surface. It's not just a look of adoration, it's a deeply ingrained biological process. So next time your furry friend gives you those puppy dog eyes, know there's a lot of love and science behind them. Ever noticed how your dog seems to know exactly when it's dinner time? It's not just your imagination. Dogs really do have a keen sense of time, an internal clock, if you will. This mysterious ability allows them to distinguish between different lengths of time. Just like us, they can sense the difference between an hour and a minute. But it's not just about keeping track of time. This uncanny ability also helps dogs anticipate daily routines and events. For instance, ever wondered how Fido knows when it's time for his walk, or when you're about to come home from work? It's all thanks to their internal clock. They can sense the regular patterns of the day, and they adjust their behavior accordingly. So the next time you see your dog wagging their tail at the door just as you're pulling into the driveway, know this: it's not a coincidence. So remember, your dog isn't just waiting for you to come home, they're counting down the minutes. Did you know a dog's paws serve more purposes than just walking? Indeed, those cute, squishy pads on the underside of your dog's paw are not only designed for traction, they're a critical part of your canine's cooling system. Yes, you heard that right. Dogs, unlike humans, don't sweat all over their bodies when they get hot. Instead, they primarily sweat through their paws. This is why, on a hot day, you might notice your dog's paws feeling a bit damp. The moisture on their paws evaporates, which helps to lower their body temperature and keep them cool. This is especially important as dogs, wrapped in a fur coat, can easily overheat on warm days. So the next time you see your dog prancing around on a hot day, remember that those little paws are working overtime. But there's more to a dog's paw than just temperature regulation. Just like our fingerprints, each dog has a unique set of paw prints. Yes, each paw pad has a distinctive pattern which can be used for identification. Isn't that fascinating? It's like your dog carries its own unique identity card on the pads of its paws. While it's not common to use paw prints for identification in everyday situations, they can be helpful in certain scenarios. For example, if your pet ever gets lost, a clear imprint of its paw could potentially help in finding them. In fact, there have been instances where paw prints have played a crucial role in solving animal-related investigations. So, while those paw prints are certainly adorable, they're also incredibly unique and functional. So the next time you find yourself admiring your dog's paws, remember they're not just for walking or leaving muddy prints on your favorite rug. They're little temperature regulators and unique identifiers, all packed into one soft, adorable package. So not only are their paws adorable, they're also quite functional. Have you ever wondered how much your dog understands you? Well, prepare to be impressed. Dogs are capable of understanding hundreds of words. Yes, hundreds. This isn't limited to simple commands like sit or stay. They can understand more complex phrases too. Remarkably, this understanding extends beyond language. Dogs can also read our emotions with a quick glance at our faces. That's right. When you're feeling down, your dog isn't just offering comfort because you're paying them more attention. They're responding to your facial expression. In fact, studies show that dogs can differentiate between happy, sad, and neutral human faces. So if you've had a tough day and your dog comes to snuggle, they're not just seeking warmth, they're responding empathetically to your feelings. So don't be surprised if your dog seems to know exactly how you're feeling, because they probably do. Are you enjoying these fun dog facts as much as we are? We're so glad to have you along on this journey of discovery. If you're finding these insights as fascinating as we do, then you're definitely in the right place. We have a plethora of other captivating topics to delve into, filled with more adorable puppy moments and intriguing dog facts. And guess what? You can be part of our community by simply clicking that like button and subscribing to our channel. It's a small action from you, but it means a world to us. Your support helps us bring more of these enriching and heartwarming contents to your screens. So don't miss out. Subscribe and let's continue to unravel the wonders of our canine companions together. Remember, every like and subscribe brings us one step closer to our next dog fact video. Thanks for watching.